sure that all Nevada's engaged and understand.
Hey folks, how you doing? Papa Joe here. Let me turn the TV down.
Also for 2020, for the president, if we want him to be
That's hit the mute button. Me and Grandma doing a breakfast. We don't do these breakfasts too often anymore. Biscuits are in the oven. Oh yeah, biscuits looking done. So, corned beef hash, bacon, biscuits and gravy, and some eggs. Oh, I'm running a little late on my meds, but I gotta eat first, and we decided we're just gonna cook a breakfast. That's what's going on in the Saturday morning of Papa Joe. Y'all remember, God loves you, so do we. No, I'm not sharing. I don't care. I ain't sharing with you.